So when you have a team like Centra that is very knowledgeable in their windows and their BC Energy code as well, it's huge because now they can offer you different ways to maybe beef up your windows and your window type of glass, whether it be double pane or triple pane. And then you can actually give in other areas where it might not matter as much, where say under slab insulation or insulation in general, you can cut those requirements down. And when you can do higher efficient glass and triple glaze, then you can have obviously a quieter home as well. One of my biggest recommendations would be is to really look at the team you're getting through your window supplier. Do they have knowledge of their product for one, and then for BC Energy code as well? They have to know both of those very well, and if your team through your window supplier knows that, they can help you greatly. And I would recommend bringing that team in quite early on when you're designing your energy efficiency.